On this exact video, I'll be sharing with you my exact $300 per day system. This is a system that you can start using today to make your first $100 quickly, and I mean quickly as soon as today. Even if you're totally new, even if you've never made a commission online in the past, even if you've got no previous experience, even if you have currently no website, no email list, and no product to sell. In fact, I'm going to give it to you. I'll even give it to you 100% for free if you just stick with me until the end of the video. And yes, you heard me right. You get access to it 100% free if you just give me a few minutes of your time. So if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll share with you how to get started earning your first $100 in commissions today without your own product, without previous experience, and without having to bother your friends and family. I'll also share with you a very simple tactic generating all the leads you'll ever need so you can have endless flow of prospects looking to buy stuff from you without you having to talk to a single person. If you want to learn that, stay on this video. You'll also get instant access to what I can only describe as your very own personal guide style videos that will show you how to quickly set things up so you can start earning commissions as soon as today. Let's face it, most systems that you buy into, they leave you hanging without knowing what the next step is. And with this system, it's going to be different because you're going to see exactly what you need to do, how you need to do it, so you can start stacking those Benjamins nice and high. Now, on top of that, I'll also be sharing with you how you can increase, multiply, and double your earnings without doing any extra work whatsoever. This is actually the secret and the heart of the entire system, and you get full access to it. You'll also learn how to skip years of frustration by building up your monthly automatic residual income. So you just need to do the work once and you get paid for it over and over and over and over again. This is actually a huge mistake that most newcomers online make by not focusing on monthly income. They only focus on getting one-off commissions, and I'll make sure you won't make that mistake when you start using my system. So you get access to everything that I just mentioned if you just focus your attention 100% on this video just for the next few minutes until the end of the video. So now you're probably wondering, what exactly is this system and why would I be giving it to you for free if it generates so much money? Now, in fact, the very first version of the system I built in 2014, and let me show you how it all worked out so you can start taking advantage of this system as soon as minutes from now. So take a look. The first month I used it, it generated to me a little over $3,000. It was $3,244, as you can see on the screen. The next month I used it, just 1 month later, I already reached $9,388.75, which ends up being 3 times more income in just 30 days later. By month number 3, I already reached 5 figures a month and I brought in $13,215. And by month number 4, I was already nearing $18,000. As you can see there, $17,898.25. And this wasn't even all the income that I generated that month. That was back when I barely had a clue what I was doing. And in just 4 short months, I was already generating $18,000 per month. And shortly after I started generating that kind of money, I started taking trips around the world, and that's me over there on the left, sitting on a catamaran down in South America, just enjoying a perfectly sunny day outside on a boat. My name is David Eagle, and everything that you saw got started just because I wanted to make $100 a day so I can actually quit my job. Does that sound familiar to you? Maybe you're in the same boat and same position right now, feeling stuck, barely able to make ends meet. Or maybe you're approaching retirement in just a few years and you just now realize that to live the life that you truly want to live, you'll need to use a different approach than the one that you've been using up until now. So think about it. If you could just make $100 a day consistently online, how would your life be different right now? But as you've seen with my system, it actually brought in a lot more than that. And the good news is that you don't have to go through all the trial and error that I had to go through. I had to learn how to create promotions, how to write emails, how to pick good offers, how to promote, how to find traffic, where to find leads, what to tell those leads, and a whole bunch of other stuff. You'll be able to skip right over all of that and just get to the best part, which is getting daily results. I want you to hear firsthand from the people who have used my systems in the past and what they had to say.
If you're in a place right now where there's like it almost seems like it's hopeless, or you've tried many things before in the past and it just has not worked, it's because you haven't been working with somebody who really cares, and you haven't been through a system that's been thought through to the point where almost anyone can succeed. And I'm just saying that, I mean, whatever your reservations are, don't be reserved. Just do it. This program works. I can't say it enough. I can't express it enough. The only way that you're gonna know is if you step in and really go for it yourself. And if you go for it yourself and give it all you've got, there is no looking back. You will reach your goals, and that's the bottom line. You will. I mean, they've already done the heavy lifting. All you got to do now is just follow in the footsteps and the blueprint of success, and you will have success too. That's it.
This is Dr. Fraser. On this video, I'm going to just give you a short testimonial and endorsement of David Dickel. Okay, David Dickel, I met him online and I tried a system that he used. Initially, I tested it to see if it's actually going to convert. And behold, it converted like crazy. Okay, now remember, I've used many systems out there trying to build my list and make money from home, and I've tested a lot of them, but nothing compares to the systems that David Dickel has created. In fact, I tested the first system he created and I tested the second system, and they knock out any other system that I've seen out there. I'm telling you that all you need to do is just send traffic to any system that is created by David Dickel, and you are going to see a tremendous result. So if you're looking for a real system, you're looking for a real way to create income, any system that is built by David Dickel is a great system that converts like crazy.
So are you happy with where you are right now? Let me ask you flat out. If versus where you were a year ago, are you in a better place now?
Oh yeah, definitely. Because a year ago when we started, if you would have told me, and you couldn't have told me because you can't even believe it, right? If you would have told me that, hey, in a year you won't even have your job, you'd be sitting at home doing this full time, I would have been like, BS, right?
Yeah.
Well, now.
Okay, awesome. Any other comments for our viewers, everybody that's watching this case study?
Yeah, just want to look, if you've struggled like me in the past, you're looking for something to make you an income online, like a sustainable income, you said, David, you need to, get involved with the program and get in contact with David.
I mean, just have to, I think most importantly is just to thank you and making, I wouldn't say making like 5K is a lot of money, but I mean, by just 2 months and, think back like for 9 months in the business opportunity, I never really make anything, and after building for 2 months and I think within 4 months or 5 months after that, where I'm here right now making 5K, I think I'm really grateful to you guys.
Until I ran into David, I mean, I was doing pretty well, it wasn't consistent, but definitely, I mean, it's my pleasure to get on here with you, man. I mean, you were a big reason for me being stable right now. So
I'm not sure what your background is. I'm not sure what you've been involved in, what you've tried, or, this shiny object here. But I would say give yourself a chance with this one.
So up until now, you've probably tried a bunch of different programs. Maybe you tried to read ebooks, or you went through some courses, or maybe you even tried some software. But if you're watching this video right now, that tells me that you didn't get the results that you wanted. Otherwise, you too would be out somewhere on the boat enjoying life just like me in the picture you saw a few moments ago. So no, I'm actually not going to be giving you ebooks. I'm not going to be giving you courses or trainings or software. In fact, if I give you any one of those things, you'll probably end up getting the same results that you did before, or non-results, should I say. So my sole mission here is to get you to at least $100 per day, every day, so you can get past that initial first commissions milestone that so many new people online can't seem to get past. What I want to help you do is I want you to let me and my system handle all of the promotion for you. So really, all you need to do is simply step out of the way and let my system handle everything for you. Here's what I mean. Literally, this entire leaderboard you're about to see is full of people that are currently using my system. Take a look. As you can see, my name is right at the top of the leaderboards, and almost every other name on that leaderboard is somebody who's currently using one of my systems. On the right-hand side, everybody that's on that leaderboard is currently people that are using my system. So imagine you start using a system that literally days from now, on top of getting all of the results, you also get to see your name on leaderboards. Let that sink in for a second. Your name right at the top with industry leaders on leaderboard.